Hello guys, in this video, we will solve the problem of the phone screen not turning off. A very simple method. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, thank you to everyone who supports me and subscribes to the channel and likes the video and shares the video. Now let's go through the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to the settings. After that, you go to the screen and brightness. After that, you click on the phone's shutdown time. Here you choose 30 seconds or choose 15 seconds, according to your desire. Do not leave it on all the time. This is the first step. The second step, my friend, is to exit. After that, we go to the main phone interface, then click on the settings. After that, we go to the phone and click on Try the phone, then click on the version number 7 times. We click on the version number 7 times until we activate the developer options. After that, we enter our phone code. After that, we go back and go to the system and updates. Then here we will find the developer options. If you do not find them, go to the settings search engine and write the developer options. After that, you activate or deactivate this feature. From here is the second step, the third step, my friend, and the last, which is to go back, then go to the settings, then go to the settings search engine, then click on reset, then click on reset the phone, then we will find reset settings to default settings, click on it and reset the phone to default settings. First, it deletes anything for you, and thus the problem will be solved for you. After that, you restart your phone. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.